This video demonstrates the process to select products and populate them into a view in order to facilitate an update or delete of a product. Because we are using an MVC approach, we will begin in the Products controller. We will add functionality to an existing control structure that will deliver the Product Management view. The additional functionality includes calling a model-based function to query basic data about all products from the database, and returning a multidimensional array to the controller. Next, if the array is not empty, we will build an HTML table that displays the name of the product and a link to trigger an update and a second link to trigger a delete. If the array is empty, an error message will be set. The code for the table and the links is shown in the video. A for each loop is used to build a separate row in the table for each item. The links contain two name-value pairs. The first pair is the action equals mod or action equals del triggers to indicate to the controller what type of a process is being requested. The second pair is the ID equals a number, where the number is the inventory ID to uniquely identify each product. This will be used to identify which product is being modified or deleted. Next, we will build the function in the products model. The function queries the data from the database without using any parameters. We use a PDO prepared statement and the fetch all method to get all records. We are also setting a PDO fetch named parameter to receive the data as an associative array. Finally, the product management view is altered to test for the existence of a message variable, which will be used to display an error if no product data can be retrieved, or for the existence of our array. Whichever one is present, it will be displayed into the view. One last item. This view and the other views in the products process are protected by a code block that checks that the site user has an administrator level. If not, the user is not allowed into the view. To test the functionality, the servers, meaning Apache and the database server, must be running. The main site controller is run. We then navigate to the login view and log in as an administrator using the username and password shown. Once logged in, alter the URL to go to the Products folder. If things worked as they should, a list of products should appear in the view, and to the right of each product should be two links, modify and delete. This video ends at this point with the successful call and delivery of the products list with accompanying links to the view.